So here's the list of 10 important tips you need to follow before your interview. At least start following these tips a week prior to your test. This will help you to improve your speaking skills. I mean, your speaking score in your language. So this is Japneet. Hope you guys are hale and hearty. Let's jump straight to the video. So here's the first tip. Do not ever memorize any answer. अपने आंसर्स कभी भी मेमोराइज नहीं करने, कभी भी क्रैम नहीं करने. वेन एवर यू आर आंसरिंग एनी क्वेश्चन, योर एग्जामिनर विल फाइंड इट आउट वेदर यू हैव क्रैम्ड इट और नॉट. Believe it or not, he is Mr. Expert, he or she. So try reading the common topics and you should have knowledge about these. Moreover, try to gain as much knowledge as you can. Surf YouTube, watch some international content. In simple words, try to broaden your horizon of knowledge. Didn't get? So here's the second point, that is excess use of vocabulary. Avoid the excess use of vocabulary. Your fellow students will say use vocabulary, and what you start doing is finding synonyms on the web and fitting them in your answers. Stop doing this, pal. That's really bad. Everyone doesn't know the appropriate use of vocabulary. Apart from this, sometimes even examiner is confused because you do not know the appropriate pronunciation. So minimize the use of vocabulary. Here's the third point. Use variations. Add as many variations as you can. Examiner just needs this. You should know how to speak a particular sentence in different ways. To put it simply, just do not repeat same types of sentences again and again. They just hate it. Be natural and do not use any fake accent. This is our next point. Well, my name is Japneet. तो जैसे कि आपको पता है, मेरे क्यू खैट की बुक आप बॉय कर सकते हो. कल मैं एक न्यूली ओपन टनल में OMG, डोंट यूज़ दिस प्लीज़. कीप योर स्पीकिंग सिंपल एंड स्टूपिड. एक्सेंट डजेंट मैटर. अगर ये मैटर करता होता तो मेरे 9 बैंड आ जाते. Okay. The next one is take pauses. Make sure to take pauses where needed. Whenever you listen to any speech, you might have noticed wherever they are using pauses, there is a complete silence. See, here's an example. My dear students, the most important factor for improving your reading skill is reading a newspaper. See, this is effective. Make sure to add pauses because with this you can connect with your examiner. Moving further, the next point is fillers. Stop using these. Students who are not confident enough and who need to work on their fluency use these fillers. These are the signs of weakness. So be natural. Okay, here's the next. Your answer's length should be accurate. Yes. When your answers are too short, this shows the examiner that you are unable to talk. You cannot talk in detail about that particular topic. Then the examiner says why? Counter questioning, right? Because they just want to know whether you can give appropriate detail about that particular topic or not. Then students say कि सर जी मेरे तो एग्जामिनर ने मैनू बड़े वाए पूछे, right? Your answers should be long. Monotone is another major issue. My name is Japneet and I give online classes to my students where I evaluate the tasks regularly and help my students in achieving their desired score. No, this is wrong. Here's the right method. My name is Japneet and I give online classes to my students where I evaluate the tasks regularly and help my students in achieving their desired score. Right? Now it's good. And here's the last tip. Read common topics. I upload videos of common topics being asked in the exam. Besides this, read out the general questions part before appearing in interview. You will get enough knowledge about these topics. General question का part आप करके जाना पहले, जब भी आपके इंटरव्यू है, जब आपकी स्पीकिंग है, वो आपके लिए काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल रहेगा. I hope you like this video. Please make sure to subscribe. Our aim is to reach 100k subscribers fast because I guess we deserve it, right? Thank you.